Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, leave me some likes on it. I do appreciate that. It actually helps with the algorithm and gets this video out to more people and really supports me. If you don't know who I am, my name is John Artsberger. I'm a high-ticket affiliate marketer. This is what I do full-time, and on my channel I teach people how to do affiliate marketing for free. So that's a huge benefit to people that are just getting started. I don't think a lot of other people do anything like this. But for you guys who don't know me, I want to show you guys something here. And this is a platform that I use, and it's called HBA. It is a powerhouse of an affiliate marketing platform. It's just amazing. But as you can see here by just looking at my screen, you can see the commissions that I have. This is just from the beginning of the year. So I'll show you right here. I'll just select, if we go over here on the right hand side, you'll see it. I'll select this year. So that's just from January until now. And we're in it's May 18th right now. So that's just a few months. And just from this one platform that I have some really cool training on. I'm going to show you guys and go over it in a second. But just from this one platform, that's what I've been able to earn since January. So literally a few months, right? This shows you the potential. And actually, if you look at the total here, if you look right up here in the very top, right up here, the total that I've earned is $240,000. And I actually started this less than a year ago. I started this last July. So, 2 months shy of a year. And this is what I've been able to bring in over $240,000 in 10 months, right? It's huge, right? Imagine bringing an extra, or even just bringing in $240,000 for people. So I understand the appeal to affiliate marketing, and that's why I'm happy that you guys found me here, because what I do is completely just my own thing, and you guys are going to see right away. You'll be able to tell that it's a huge benefit for you guys who are just getting started. So if you just come over here to my channel and you go to my home tab right here, so in the very top you'll see a home tab. You can click that, so don't click on the videos, just click on home. You're gonna come and be able to see my playlists. These are actually trainings. So these are for different platforms that I promote as an affiliate marketer. And if we just go back here for a second, I wanna show you guys something. Out of this entire company, I'm gonna go to my settings here for a second. Let's see if it shows my rank. So there's my rank. So out of this entire company, I'm number 4. And I'm usually at the very top of these programs. I have a really cool strategy that I use for affiliate marketing, and it's unlike a lot of other people's, right? So this is something that if you guys have never done affiliate marketing, you can easily jump in here and do this. And that exact platform that I just showed you is actually based on this training series right here. So right here, you'll see where it says turn $25 into 6 figures in 3 months. Now, that kind of seems like a fake playlist title, right? Turn $25 into 6 figures in 3 months, but it's totally doable. And I've seen people do it over and over again. Actually, I have people that take this training and they join my Facebook group after, because I do have a Facebook group. It's a private Facebook group, but anybody that's doing the training can go and join it. And I'll show you guys how in a second. But I have people that join my group literally starting out off day one, and I watch them get to $5,000, $10,000 per month over a period of time. So it's more than possible for anybody to do, because the system that I laid out here literally works for anybody. If you guys are interested in checking it out, I'm going to show you how you guys can do that. You can either click right up here. You'll see this video on the top here, the preview to the channel. Right here's a link that you guys can click, or you can just click into the video description. So if you jump into this training and you want to check out what it's all about, there's about 25 videos in here, between half an hour to an hour long each one. But when you finish that training, you're going to have such a better idea of what affiliate marketing is and how you can use it. Literally, you won't even have to just use it with this. You could at that point take it and start using it with anything that you wanted to promote. And that's a huge benefit. I mean, it would even be valuable for just promoting a product, a random product, your own product if you sell products. The training in here teaches you how to market successfully online. And you can see a lot of people have been using it. You can go check out the comments yourself and read through them, but I'm going to show you guys how to get started here if you want to, and then we're going to walk through a couple things that I think is really interesting in here. But what you would do is you click on the video, right, to watch that first video for the series. You can watch it if you want, check it out, see how I go about it, maybe watch a couple videos, whatever you want to do. Underneath the video, you're going to see this tab that says video, the video description here. It doesn't say that, but that's what it is. You're going to click the button to drop that down. It's a drop-down menu. When you get in that menu, you're going to have an option to go right here. It says click here to get started with HBA. You guys can click that button. It's going to take you over to this page right here. Okay? So when you guys get to this page, actually I'm going to bypass it so I don't have to put my email in, but you put your email in there. That's going to open it up. We'll just do it. Watch. There we go. I'll put that in, and I didn't want to have to add my own email again to it on camera, but whatever. So you guys will come over here to this screen once you guys enter this, and watch this video. This video is 28 minutes long. It's going to walk you through kind of what this platform is, how people are using it, how you can use it, the benefit of using it. It's a good video to watch. You guys can watch that, check it out. But we'll just go through some of this real quick. You guys can, this is a kind of a long landing page that you guys can read over some of the stuff. It, tells you the different step-by-step plan, how to start using this. Basically, this is like a business in a box. They've created something here that we can use to build a business with. So it's really, really interesting. But this will walk you through exactly what it is. And I'm going to tell you right now, it's basically just a funnel builder. So if anybody is familiar with ClickFunnels, same type of thing. And, ClickFunnels is a big affiliate program now. It has an affiliate program on the back that people are earning millions of dollars with. And you can do the same with this. It's the same concept. It's just a program that they offer, and we're promoting it as an affiliate. I'm just really, really good at promoting things. So that's what my training is on YouTube, is based around how to promote something. That's why I said you could literally use it with anything eventually to promote whatever you want. But go through this a little bit, just read through and see if anything stands out to you. I'm going to show you a couple things that I think are pretty impressive. The thing that stood out to me the most, I'm just going to find it here. So right here, I really like this. I really like what they have here. And think about this for a minute, but just one sale can turn into $74,800 per year. That's one sale per week. You got to read right here. It says generate just a single all-in-one business customer per week who remains a customer, because what we're creating, this program creates recurring revenue, okay? Because when people buy a subscription to something, that means they pay that over and over and over again, which means you keep getting the commissions over and over and over again. This is one of the things that we look for as an affiliate marketer. Before I finish what I'm talking about here, what is affiliate marketing? Maybe you are so new, you're just looking up affiliate marketing, trying to figure out what it is. So what is affiliate marketing? Basically, affiliate marketing is playing a middleman between a consumer and a business, right? So somebody who wants to purchase something and somebody selling something. We just step in the middle and show that product to somebody, and if they purchase it, that company who owns the product gives us a percentage of that sale. It's like commission sales, basically. But it's really easy to do online with certain types of products, and this being one of them. So let's jump back into this. Just 2 sales can turn into $149,000 per year. Two sales per week can turn into $149,000 per year. And it just keeps coming in. It's recurring revenue again. So think about this. You're building something here that's not going to just go away. You're going to build it up, and it's going to keep paying you over and over and over again. I take time off sometimes, months at a time, totally off from doing anything. I don't touch the computer. I don't do anything. And I always have this money rolling in. So you're creating a long-term income here that is just, it's amazing what you can do with it. So that's why I love this program specifically. It's just such an amazing program. And then here's the final, just 3 sales can turn into $224,000 per year. That's pretty amazing. So as you guys are going through here and you're reading through, you'll see these little buttons that you can click on. You can just click on those. Those are going to take you over to a page where you can actually just go ahead and buy. There's a couple things that I want to talk about before you do this, because I don't want anybody to be surprised with anything that there is, or what, how this is going to work. Firstly, this is going to take some time. You're going to have to learn this. There's nothing that's going to come overnight from this. So I don't want you to think that's going to be the way it is. But I'm going to give you the skills, literally doing the exact same thing that I'm doing, that got me to the point where I was earning, 200. This is just from the week. So let me go here. Let's go back to this year. Just since January, the last few months, I've earned $130,000, right? And this is exactly what I'm doing. What you're learning on my YouTube channel is the exact step-by-step method that I used to generate that. Literally step by step. There's not anything that I'm missing, nothing that I'm holding out. I'm showing you exactly what I do, but you have to be the one to do it. I can't do it for you. Now, I can be here as a guide, and I'm going to help you along the way. If you need any help, you can reach out to me. You can text me on this number. I always have my number here. Or you can reach out to me on Facebook. You can talk to the other people in the Facebook group. You know, that's why it's there, to kind of motivate each other and help each other out. But I just started this July of last year. July, less than a year ago, 10 months ago, I started this, and I have $240,000. Literally 10 months ago, I started it. So it's exceptional. It's just an amazing opportunity. But what you're going to do is you're going to come over here. You're going to enter your name, enter your information. You're going to come down here to this little yellow box. Now, this is $25 to get this program. Okay, there's nothing else that you have to purchase in order to start making money. You can start making money with that $25. Okay, literally, you can jump in, you can follow my training, start making money with $25. What you're going to be getting with that $25 is you're going to be getting access to the funnel builder, which we use to start promoting, and you're going to be able to earn $20 commissions. This is where this yellow box comes in. We can up this a little bit. They have a premium offer that you get for free for 2 weeks. I recommend everybody takes that premium offer, whether you want to keep it or not. It's $125 a month. If you don't want to keep it after the 2 weeks, don't. But during that 2 weeks, you could get a couple sales rolling in that will pay for it, right? So it's $125, but you make $120 with it if you go this route. Every sale, you're going to bring in $120. That $120 is going to come in every single month. You're going to get it month after month after month after month. And go look through the training. If you just go over here and look through some of this, here's one. Just got my second sale today, and it's only been a week. Bam, 2 sales. So Neville here got his second sale, his first week. That means he's already in profit every single month. That money's going to roll in. He doesn't have to worry about it. Now it's paid for because he used the exact same training that you guys are going to be looking at here and using. That's really all there is. They have another offer inside that's a training platform for financial literacy. So if you're learning to build a business, they will offer that to you when you're signing up. It does offer another commission. It's just a one-time fee. You don't have to get it, or you can get it. It's $500 when you're signing up. You don't have to have it, but if you do get it, you save $500 because later on you're going to end up buying it because you're going to see people buying it, and if you don't own it, you don't get paid for it. So eventually you will, but you'll still be able to make money with this. I'm not saying you have to get it to make money. You're going to be able to make money just with this as well. But it is a good thing to have. You have that investment. You're building a business, so it's still not much to put out for a business. Then you're just going to click that and you're going to get started. And that's actually going to take you over to another page, and I'm just going to pause this and sign in. All right, here we are. So I just signed in. This is the members area. This is where you're going to come, okay? Now, let me show you why I said take that 2-week free trial. If we go right up here at the very top, you're going to see it says HBA Funnel Builder Academy. That's the funnel builder. If we go right here, you're going to see the premium. That's the one that's $125 per month, okay? When you click on this, there's a ton of stuff that they give you for that premium. The premium is just for affiliate marketers, just for us to come in to earn more money, but also to get all of this information, learn how to do setup and everything like that, which I'm going to go over in my training. Follow my training, I go over the setup, okay? You don't have to use their setup. There's a couple things you do have to use in the beginning. You're going to have to come to your members area, go to your affiliate zone, and watch this first video, get signed up with the dashboard that looks like this. What I already showed you guys are going to want to get signed up with that, and you can do that right here, this first video, and then you can come back and jump into my training and go through the setup process, okay? But this premium gives you access to different traffic generation methods, even methods that I don't use myself that other people use, so you can really kind of start scaling this up. There's free methods, there's paid methods, there's different sales conversions, different things that they want to talk about, different formulas and ideas about leads. Then they have this live mastermind. Now, what I recommend that you do, every person who signs in here, take that 2-week free trial so that you can get this mastermind. It's every Monday night at 8 p.m. Eastern. Go to at least one of those, because you're going to be able to at least hit one of them with that 2-week free trial, and go watch the value that you get just out of the mastermind. These are live people talking, helping people to succeed. You also get daily Grow Rich calls and a bunch of other stuff. An Emerson Magic Content Machine where it actually helps you write content. So it's really, really cool. I'm telling you, it's phenomenal, the premium is. So it's well worth it. But not only that, about 95% of people take the premium. So if you don't get it, you won't be able to take the commissions from it. You'll only be able to get the commissions from the $25, and everybody's going to take the premium, just letting you know, right? So take the free trial, because that way you might be able to make a couple, and you can always drop it off later if you don't want it. This is the Financial Literacy Academy right here, this button. This is the other one that I was telling you about. They're going to offer it to you when you're signing up for $500. You don't have to get it right then. You can buy it later, but it will be $1,000 later. You can make $800 per sale with it, and it's only a one-time fee. So what I tell people is, if you have the extra $500, buy it, because you're going to get your money back over and over and over again with it. I get a ton of the sales every single month with it. So it's really, really cool. But this is what it is, right? And then it has the Funnel Builder Academy, which is actually just teaches you how to build your funnels. You go through different funnels. And actually, this is something else I should bring up, is you don't have to actually build these funnels yourself. I'm going to give you all of that in the setup. You don't have to do any of this technical work. I'm giving you this. Literally, I'm going to give you the funnels. You're going to copy and paste them into your own platform. And you're going to use them. So it's really cool, but I'll show you what it looks like. This is what a funnel builder is. It's just a website builder. You build websites with it. This is what the product is that we're an affiliate of, right? This is what we are promoting to earn commissions, because everybody wants to build websites. We're online, right? Everybody online has to build websites, landing pages, ads, everything that you can build on this. So, and it's just drag and drop, so you can manipulate it. You can change things. You can add things, pictures, videos, anything that you want. So this is why this is one of the coolest things to promote, because everybody uses them online. But it's really that easy. Once you get signed up, you can just jump back over here. Remember just to subscribe to my channel so you know where my channel is. And then you guys can just come back over here and click on the first series right here. Turn $25 into 6 figures in 3 months. Go join the Facebook. You know what? Everybody that's watching this video right now, go join my Facebook group. There's a link. If you click on this first video, there's a link underneath here that takes you to my Facebook group. It says, please join my Facebook group here. You can click that. Go join my Facebook group. Go check it out. Let's just click on it for a second and see if it'll pull it up. So here's my Facebook group. We have thousands of people in here that all talk about what they're making and what they're doing every day. Go join it. Go check it out. Talk to them first if you want. Talk to me first. You can come and join in there and chat with me. But yeah, this is just a great opportunity for everybody. And I think that if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing and learn how to do it correctly, this is going to be great for you, because you're not going to have to go pay for $5,000 for a course. You're not going to have to go and hire somebody to teach you. You're going to be able to do this yourself. You can learn it for free right here. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you got anything out of it, do me a big favor and leave me a like on the video. Leave me a comment. Let me know in the comments, if you have any questions, or let me know if you any kind of input that you have for me, or you think that this is a cool thing that I'm doing. Let me know in the comments, right? And make sure that you hit the subscribe button and that you hit the bell icon so you're notified when my next video drops. I'm always dropping some really cool stuff, a lot of different training material and different updates for everything that I'm doing. So I hope you guys really enjoy this. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.